Hey everybody, I'm Mason McCormick in equipment sales here at S&H in Lebanon.
I'm Jake Cook, equipment sales, S&H in Lebanon as well.
So we kind of had a few minutes today. We want to take a little bit of time to go over some of the kind of cool features and different things we've got going on with the KIOTI HX1151. So we'll kind of start up front here. So at the loader, we're going to have a 90-inch skid steer quick attach bucket. That's going to have a 90-inch bolt-on cutting edge on it, factory. We're going to be just over about 4,300 pounds on the lift capacity and about 141-inch max height on that loader as well. It is going to be a mechanical self-leveling loader, and it is quick detach. So quick detach, we've got all our couplers over here. We also have a lockout, so you can lock that loader out right from here without having to pull any levers, anything inside the cab. It's all right there. We do have our legs down here on the loader as well. Sets up really nice and easy, so good, easy to take off if you're going to be in the field and not wanting that in your way. So had a few other things we're going to talk about as far as engine bay goes, so I'll let Jake talk about a few of those.
So one of the biggest things would be these do come with front fenders, which is a nice add-on. This tractor comes with a lot of extra things actually, especially at the price point. Your fuel filter is easy to get to, oil filter, oil check. There's a lot of room in this engine compartment. You can actually kind of see around the whole engine, which you don't get now a lot. Easy access to all your condensers and radiator to clean it. It's got screens. This also hinges, which is really nice for cleaning. Then if you walk around this side, one thing that I think is pretty cool about these is there is a ton of room in here. I mean, you can see everything around your whole engine, and you don't find that much nowadays. These do come with DEF, 50-gallon fuel tank, toolbox, and another thing is like telescopic mirrors from the factory, which is really nice.
Yeah. So there's a lot of good options that these tractors come with factory. Kind of like Jake mentioned, the front fenders, the telescopic mirrors, of course, 1,000 PTO shaft as well as the 540. Just a lot of really nice features that just kind of come standard in this tractor. So we've got the as far as tires go, we got the 34s in the back and the 24s in the front. These are cast wheels in the back. So overall weight of this tractor is right around 13,000 pounds with the loader. So a lot of good weight, handle just about anything we need to do there in this part of the country. We can come around to the back here too. So a few other nice kind of features. Of course, we do have our telescopic 3-point link arms on these. We do have fender controls on both sides, so don't have to walk around your implement, whatever you have hooked up. You can run that PTO manually right here and run your 3-point arms as well. So really nice features there. One thing I always kind of like to look at too is the lift cylinders on the back of these tractors. So
massive.
Yeah, they're huge lift cylinders.
8,000 pound lift capacity.
8,000 pounds. Most of your standard, kind of options on these tractors are in that 6 to 7 with competitors, but yes, these are really stout in the back too. So
and that's 24 inches back. So I mean, that's impressive.
It is.
3 rear remotes. Everything, like you say, everything's easy to gain access to. You can move these just by simply pulling this pin to hook things up. You mentioned the fender switches.
Yep.
One other thing is this side door is completely open. There's no post in the way. So this is a 5-post. On the opposite side, there is a post, but the visibility is amazing. Battery's easy to get to. You got a kill switch right here. Go inside and check it out.
One of my favorite things about these tractors. So another thing these come with, they do have a heated and a cooled beverage storage there. If you look just to Jake's left side.
Right here.
So heated and cooled beverage storage with a wireless phone charger. So
heated seat. Buddy seat. And there is a lot of room in this cab. I mean, it's really nice. Air ride seat as well. A lot of your controls are right here. You got your throttle, 3-point. You can adjust all that stuff inside this compartment. So you got a 12x12 base transmission, then you got a high-low in each gear, so a 24x24. You can also shift it here, the high-low. It's got a D-clutch button, so you can D-clutch and shift through gears. And then you've also got your high, medium, low ranges down here. You got a horn. You got, so your horsepower on this is 115. A boosted horsepower by the push of this button gains you up to 125 horse. I think it's 92 PTO horsepower.
Yep.
Boosted.
Yep.
You're also console moves. This telescopes. So you've got a lot of adjustment here. It'd be really nice and comfy. Here's all your remotes, all your lights. They're all LEDs. Wipers here. You got different modes, work, drive, just changes the torque of the way it responds. Rear defrost built into the glass, which is awesome. And even if you buy one of these, we'll throw in this farm triangle for you. Free of charge. E-brake down here. I mean, these tractors are just, there's a lot of room in here. They're very nice. I love the brown leather, actually, or interior. I don't know, Mason, is there anything else? I mean,
yeah, I think you covered
Bluetooth radio.
There's a few options too I like. So as far as kind of like Jake mentioned, being the partial power shift, so you have your high-low. You can do that right there from the joystick, your shifter.
Here too.
Yep, so you can do it right there on the console. So you have really 3 different locations you can do that high-low option there. So that just makes it nice, kind of depending on what you're doing, of course. If you're doing a lot of loader work, you can have your reversers right there, clutchless reverser on the column. Then on the joystick, you can kind of go from your high-low, and doing that loader work when you're slowing down, speeding up, just makes it really convenient to have that. So
also got built-in third function on your loader if you wanted to add a third function down the road.
Yep.
And we can do that here at the dealership. PTO's easy to get to. I mean, everything's right here within arm's reach. Your lumbar adjustment. 1000. We got 540 and 1000 as well.
Yep.
Just got to change out the drive shaft. Really easy. It's also got economy mode. One thing that's really cool about these tractors is the 4-wheel braking. So when you touch the brake, it engages your front end, so it acts as a braking system, which is awesome. Like where I live, it's all mountains. So that's one thing that I think is really important to me, is the 4-wheel braking system for sure. And these tractors are priced good. I mean, they're very, very, very competitive. I would say that it's going to be hard to find a tractor with this kind of options at that price.
Yeah. So
we have low rate financing available, cash rebates, several different options for these, for sure.
Yeah. We've gotten several of these tractors out in the field, kind of in this area now. Been getting a lot of good feedback on them. Just kind of like Jake was mentioning, the price point is a huge thing there. The other side to it is, the tractor you're getting. I mean, the frame size, it's a full size frame
with 34-inch tires.
Yeah, with 34-inch tires and a 13,000-pound weight there. So
another thing is your pump flow. I mean, it's 34 gallons a minute.
Yep.
Implement flow is like right at 20.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, everything on these tractors is built for work. I mean, they're way overbuilt, I would say. Mm-hmm. Pump flows, it seems like with Coyote, is always
it's always great.
Very good.
Yep.
Usually blows everybody out of the water as far as that stuff goes. Mm-hmm. Durability's amazing on them too.
Yep.
I mean, I feel like they hold up very well.
Yeah.
Yeah,
and it is an engine made by Coyote as well.
Yep.
So Coyote is really big on making their own tractors and making their own parts for their tractors, and they do a great job of that. And we've been selling the compacts for quite a while, and they've had their other tractors out there, and we've got a lot in the field, and everybody's
100%
really,
confidence in them for sure.
Yeah, they're pretty tough. So
they are, and they've been in business since '86. I mean, it's not like they just showed up yesterday.
Yeah.
I mean, they've been around.
Yep.
You're starting to see a lot more of them now, I feel like.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, S&H has got 6 dealerships. So,
Yep.
I mean, I feel like we're
Growing.
kind of spreading them out, and people are realizing that they're good tractors.
Yeah.
And they're priced good.
All right.
Thank you, guys.
Yep. Appreciate you guys watching.
Need something, holler.
Yep.